Okay, so let's see what we got going on here. See this, kiddies? This is what we got to do. We rented this freaking drill press that we're gonna bolt to the side of the wall here and drill a 10-inch hole through here with this freaking thing.
Ever seen a 10-inch hole saw before, kids? Look at that thing.
Look at this. That's crazy.
In case y'all want to know, this cost $600 for this bitch off of Amazon. That's why we rented it.
Yeah, I think that was a smart choice.
Yeah, now it only costs $75 for the day.
$75 a day.
You should start a rental company.
No. All right, so I'm gonna set this down, and we're gonna drill holes and put studs in here and bolt this in.
This is purely for y'all's entertainment, because this is not going to be fun for us.
This is not fun.
No.
Thank you, DynoJet. Okay. Always use ear protection, kids. That's the way it's supposed to work. I mean, if we have to take a metal cutting blade and cut them off.
Yeah, we can lock them off.
Because maybe this one's where we hit the rebar, we could just go in that far and call it a day.
That's what I'm hoping.
All right. I think so. Do we have a hammer?
Huh?
Do we have a hammer?
Yeah.
So what we got here is these red heads. And they go into the concrete, you beat them in there, and then you can bolt on your stuff. And Ed was just saying how you make sure you thread this on there first, because once you do
once you do a couple taps to it, it's going to be a pain to get
you
it
can
off.
see it's mushroomed.
And I don't recommend, like, on if you're doing this on like an automotive application, you know how you put the nut right at the end of it.
Right.
No.
Don't do that.
Don't
on
do
this
that.
one.
No.
You mess up the threads.
Yep.
Just don't go too far now.
Yeah, I know. That's why I was like,
All right, well, here we are on another episode of Driver Motorsports Employee Garage. We got everybody working on their cars here.
Don't look too hard. Mine might break.
You see how nice of a boss I am to let everybody work on their cars.
thank you, Driver Motorsports, for letting me work on my car after hours.
Let's see. What do you got going on here?
Just this wheel bearing's got a little bit of slop in it, so I figured I'd swap it out.
A little.
Yeah, it's not bad.
I'd probably go for another 100,000 miles.
I mean, it's already got 180 on it.
It's just making a little noise, probably.
Yeah.
Right, Tevin? Driver Motorsports Employee Garage.
Today it is.
You mean tonight?
Tonight.
Tonight.
We already put in our 8 hours.
That's right. This is after hours
After hour.
at Driver Motorsports. This is Tevin's new baby, right here.
Yes, sir.
So what are your plans, Tevin? Tell the world.
Big old 1J.
Oh yeah?
Get rid of this bull crap.
You're gonna get rid of this?
I was convinced by y'all because when I first came here, I thought these were okay, and then y'all were like, these suck. I was like, no, they don't. Now I see they suck.
They suck, man. I'm trying to work on it.
Have you worked on it yet at all?
No, I seen CJ work on it enough.
Okay.
You can ask me and Ed.
This is nice though, man. Nice color.
Definitely not gonna stay this color, but yeah.
Oh
The
man.
body is not jacked up. That's
This
a
is
good thing.
cage too.
That's a Nissan thing.
What color are you gonna paint it?
I don't know. Just gotta get a swap first. But think about it.
Yellow.
Yellow. Ed, yellow. Yeah. No, Kate's freaking yellow.
Bright yellow. You know what, Tevin? You never listen to anybody else
Just
tell
be
you
different.
what color to paint your car.
I agree. I don't let nobody convince me, but I do take considerations.
No, no, don't even do that.
Nah.
I don't even pay attention to it. Someone's like, "Oh, you should paint your car this color or that." I'm like, "No, I'm gonna look at this car
Right.
online and see, you know, which color I like best because it's my car, it's no one else's, and it's mine."
I don't know about Z32s in yellow though. I feel like they'd be.
How
funky
about
looking. I say red if anything.
I've seen a sick yellow Z32.
midnight
What?
purple?
Heck no.
You're gonna pull this out, put a 1J in here. What
1J in it.
transmission?
Just keeping the regular Z32 trans.
I don't know. It might hold for a little while.
It'll be fine. I don't plan to go big power.
If it doesn't hold, you just get another one.
I'll get an R154.
Looks like it needs a good wet sand. Donnie, how much to wet sand this?
He in my pockets right now, Donnie. He said, "How much to wet sand?"
How much, Donnie?
You can afford, pal.
Oh my god. That is bad.
Throw that up in the center.
Good. Just needs to be re-greased.
Yeah, I'm just gonna repack it.
Yeah.
Put it back on.
Good to go.
Send it.
Ooh, look at them rotors. God, yo.
Ooh, and then he's putting them freaking calipers back on there.
Busted. Homie. Freaking calipers.
Doing a bit of the juicing.
Yeah, I figure I'd fill CJ up.
You're a nice
Yeah,
guy.
you know, he's only mooching my vape, so might as
Well, what do you
throw
think
it out.
about all that vaping controversy stuff we got going on?
bad. It's so
People are dying from that shit.
Die from everything.
You're gonna kill yourself with that, Donnie Ray.
Yeah.
Donnie
I'm
Ray.
gonna die one day. Might as well enjoy it while I'm alive.
Is that your middle name?
Yes, that's my middle name.
Donnie Ray Ennis
Donnie
Jr.
Ray.
Anus.
Junior.
Donnie Ray Penis.
Oh man, you're so original.
But you never heard that one before.
You're so original. Golly, I give it to you. God, he so original.
That was like so funny.
I ain't ever heard that. Golly.
There was like a lot filled up in here.
Hey, just tell me
You f***ing overfilled it.
Better to overfill than underfill.